Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I just wanted to tell you something quick about these little towels that we use. The name of the company is DryFox Co. And we found these a couple years ago at an expo somewhere. I think it was the More Expo down in Springfield. If you're a full-time traveler, towels take up a lot of space. And these guys here are really thin. So if you look at like this little towel, if I fold this little guy up, I mean, you can fold them up. Look how little. There's your washcloth. That's just one of them. I recorded a video with Samantha with DryFox at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest last month. And I thought I would just put this out because we were just showing these to some friends earlier this week. Let's roll that video and let me show you a little bit more about DryFox Co. All right, so I'm with Samantha with DryFox. We use their towels in our camper. They are the best towels. Actually, they're the only ones anybody needs in their camper. But I'm going to have Samantha tell you all about her product today.
Hi guys, I'm Samantha from DryFox. DryFox is a quick drying towel brand. All of our towels are made out of recycled materials, quick drying, so they'll take 15-20 minutes to dry, packs up super small. So for instance, this is your whole beach towel. Literally takes up no room, folds up to a t-shirt size. Just really lightweight, easy to bring everywhere, great for camping, travel, boating, swimming, whatever you're up to, these are the towels that you're gonna bring.
And look at all of the colors and choices that you have. Many colors. And how many colors do you have?
We've got 14 different reversible prints.
14 reversible
they're
prints.
nice and fun.
Yep.
We've got all the reversible prints.
Yep. 3
different sizes, so you've got your beach size, your pack size, and your washcloth size,
yep,
just depending on what you're doing.
Yep. This is your, it's a travel pouch, but this is a 30 by 60 towel.
Yeah, all right there, folded up small.
All right, and the thing about these is you can use them. I don't know how they work. They're like magic. It's like you take a shower and it's like you touch yourself with these towels and it just sucks the moisture right off of your, I don't know how it does it. And then we just hang them in our camper if you've been in it. And I swear in like 10 minutes they're dry. I don't know how they do that. And they're made out of plastic, recycled water bottles. So if you're any type of a camper, you know, your towels take up a lot of space. Try these guys out. They're fantastic. We love them. So any else thing you want to add there, Samantha?
I want to say that you can find us at dryfoxco.com or at DryFoxCo on Instagram.
There you go. All right, so there you have it. There's dryfox.co. Check them out. We're not sponsored. We are firm believers in their product. We love it, and we tell everyone about them all the time. If you're a full-time traveler looking to save some space, dry towels take up a lot of space. Well, these DryFox towels are just the ticket for you. So we're not sponsored, like I said. We just really support the product. If you got any questions, drop them down below.